A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Take a moment to sit comfortably and close your eyes. Imagine yourself standing in the middle of winter, surrounded by snow-covered trees and stillness. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling the crisp winter air and exhaling slowly. Focus on how you are feeling. Do you feel tense or anxious? If so, envision that tension melting away like snowflakes in the sun. Now focus your attention on the purpose of this practice, developing patience. Think back to times where you felt patient, perhaps when waiting for a dear friend or family member that was running late, or waiting for your meal to finish being prepared so you could enjoy and extract energy from it, or waiting for a child to take their first few steps. There's a piece of exhilaration and joy that comes with being patient. Breathe in and out. Try to recapture that feeling, allowing it to fill your body until it is overflowing with patience and calm. Let each breath be a reminder of what it feels like to be patient. Notice how the same stillness that surrounds you is also within your body, mind, and spirit. Let it provide a sense of peace as you practice patience in this moment. Continue to stay in this peaceful space for as long as you wish, allowing yourself to relax into the winter landscape and its calming effect on your emotions. Understanding that just like winter, patience does a great work in us if we wait, producing something incredible, just as in springtime. When it's time to come back to the present moment, slowly open your eyes and take a few moments to reflect on what you have experienced before continuing on with your day. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth.